is ready to sit on the potty? Who is ready to sit on the potty? Who is ready to sit on the potty? Learn what to do. Sit on the potty and wait, wait, wait.
Sit on the potty, no time to waste.
Sit on the potty and wait, wait, wait. You're doing great. Time for a pee or maybe a poo. Time for a pee or maybe a poo. Time for a pee or maybe a poo. You did it! Well done, you! If you don't make it, that's okay. You can just try again and again. If you don't make it, that's okay. Try again, the fun potty game. Now it's time to wash your hands. Wash, 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 wash your hands. Now it's time to wash your hands. Yay! You finished the fun potty game. You're all done. Well done, you. You used the potty. Hooray! Woohoo! So if you need to pee or poo, sit on the potty. You know what to do.